how's it going? We're out here in a beautiful day in Florida, out here in the bay. I have this 2012 320 Outrage, a nice whaler, very well kept. So this particular vessel is a 32-foot Outrage. That is their offshore model, and I feel that 32 foot can really handle a lot, especially being a whaler. I mean, these are foam filled to the gunnels, very stable boats, and as you've probably seen online, they're unsinkable. So this boat here, I mean, as far as the features go that I would say really stand out, it has 3 fish boxes, so you could be out there for a long time trying to fill those. Also has 2 live wells. If you want to separate, the kind of species that you're fishing for, it's nice to have 2 live wells. And he does have the addition of a grill in the back here as well. So, I mean, it really does combine the fishing plus the entertaining features as well. Again, this is a 2012 Boston Whaler 320 Outrage. These boats are built to last. If you're interested in taking this for a ride, getting into a boat that's going to be great for the family and great for fishing, swing by MarineMax in Walton Beach and I'd be happy to get you taken care of.